Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to send large videos on WhatsApp on iOS or Android. Basically it's pretty easy, just follow the steps I do to not make any mistakes. So we all know that if you send photos or videos via WhatsApp, the recipient's quality will be worse than it actually is. So today we will learn how to send photos or videos in the best quality. So open the WhatsApp and click settings, then storage and data, and in this section scroll down and maybe you will have the function to use the best quality. If you have it, then be sure to turn it on. Many people do not have it, including me. So I go back to the chart to the recipient and press plus. Next I select a document and click on a photo or video, then select the file we need, for example this one, and we send it. As you can see, this photo was sent as a document and the application did not cut its quality and size in any way. You can also send a large video in the same time. That's how easy it is. I hope guys this tutorial made your life a little bit easy and you like this video. Subscribe to my channel and write your comment. Goodbye, have a nice day.